Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more SSC Grade C and D dictations. Be ready for the SSC Grade C dictation without any stop. Start. At the same time, this is also opposed by some people who say that it will not reduce the election expenditure and will be an additional burden on the government exchequer in Europe, in some countries like Germany, France, and also in Japan. This state funding system has been successfully implemented, but in my opinion, instead of giving it in cash, it can be paid in kind. For example, in the form of voters' slips, election propaganda material posters, or public address system for election meetings. This again should be made available only to the recognized political parties. Sir, in our country, there are many social, cultural, economic, and geographical differences. The present system is not representing the people's wishes directly, either in parliament or in the state assembly. Sometimes the party securing 40% votes is getting 70% seats, and sometimes the party securing 40% votes is not getting even 20% seats. We are witnessing this in many parliamentary elections and assembly elections. So the present system is defective. Therefore, in my opinion, the system of proportional representation would be a better alternative. Of course, this system also has its own advantages and disadvantages. We have to consider the advantages as well as the disadvantages of this system. Under this system, one argument is that coalition government will come to power and there will be instability either in the center or in the states, and the leadership of the political parties becomes arbitrary and dictatorial. But what I want to say is that the party presently in power under the present system does not enjoy majority in parliament. Both in the ninth Lok Sabha elections and the 10th Lok Sabha elections, majority party did not come to power. We cannot come to the conclusion that coalition government will be a failure and will not be stable, because in West Bengal coalition government is continuing and is stable. So I think that proportional representation system would be suitable for the country. Sir, elections are being held throughout the year in one state or the other. My suggestion is that elections should be held only once in 5 years, either in the beginning of the year or in February or in March for Lok Sabha, state assemblies, etc. should be held simultaneously, which would reduce the expenditure of government candidates. Sir, I have been hearing the members' views about electoral reforms based on the resolution moved by the honorable member. Basically, this resolution deals with the postponement of elections by the Election Commission during the recent elections. From the postponement of these elections, the mover of the resolution suggests that we should go in for electoral reforms. The other members who have spoken have also given some valuable suggestions for the proposed electoral reforms. We from the Congress party are committed for electoral reforms which will enable the voter to reflect his views and elect proper candidates who he would like to get into power. I agree with some of the suggestions made by the honorable members. From the days we have seen a number of elections broadly except one or two elections, the choice of our voters has been correct. They have been choosing the right party which did good to the people. Most of them are poor, but still they have been going in the right direction. Democracy in the country has been established and is going to continue in this country. But from the experience from elections to election, we have to think of some changes so that the will of the people will prevail. We have just now heard Mr. Subramaniam Swamy how there was a postponement in the last election when Shri Rajiv Gandhi was murdered. There was a dispute about the period of nearly 20 days postponement. It looked as if it was like a second election. In 3 days, some of us have faced three elections which we cannot afford, Mr. Subramaniam Swamy explained. Perhaps a member in the same cabinet was responsible who did not know the facts. The effect of postponement has to be studied in the election. The first postponement after the death of Shri Rajiv Gandhi was from the 26th to 11th, 12th, 16th. Some people feel that the Punjab elections should not have been postponed or that the Election Commission has arbitrarily done it. Sir, the Election Commission feels that the decision was taken by the Commission independent of any extraneous influence on the basis of the information available to it and in the possession of the Commission in the interest of the security of so many people. They feel that they should not reveal the reports they have received. As far as the first postponement of Punjab election is concerned, according to the Commission, it is on the basis of the recommendation of the Home Minister. So, the Honorable Member who was then in the Home Ministry should have known that it was postponed at the instance of the Home Ministry. These three postponements and also the other reasons should be taken into consideration when we think of electoral reforms. In this election, one factor which has come out prominently is both capturing lawlessness and the ballot papers being taken away. These things must be seriously considered. Sir, the government from the very beginning has been thinking of electoral reforms and has also done so many things. A number of committees have been appointed. Recently, the previous government also appointed a committee, and it was a unanimous decision. Depending upon this, some bills were introduced to amend the Constitution and the Representation of the People Act. All the bill were moved by one minister who is not present here, unfortunately, for the amendment of the Constitution and the Representation of People Act to have been passed, but the other three bills are pending before the House. Over. So ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी एट द स्पीड ऑफ नियर अबाउट 100 WPM फॉर एसएससी ग्रेड सी एग्जाम। सो अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर एसएससी स्टेनो डिक्टेशन। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।